So this is the EP auto ratchet. I think it's stuck right here, so I'm just gonna take a quick look at it. See if I can take a look at it. They don't have thread lock, so I'm gonna put a drop in there later if I can. Let's see here. So does this pop up without the other screw? I don't know. Oh, I'll have to take this one off too. That's a smaller one. This one has a little thread lock, a little bit of thread lock there. So it comes off really easy. It's got a little bit of oil. So let's take a look. I don't know if this camera is going to catch this, but that's what the inside of it looks like. So this looks fine. I think I just need to put a little bit of grease on it, on the this part itself here. Now I don't want anything flying, so let me see if it goes out a little bit. I think it does. I can push it. I don't want to push it all the way out, since I just want to add some slight grease on there. That goes on there. So let me get that real quick. And for that, I'm using this Super Lube synthetic grease multi-purpose lubricant. This is what you can get at HF for a couple bucks, and it works very well actually. So okay, go ahead and add a little bit on the lever itself, but it definitely is a fine tooth, so that 72 tooth that I read somewhere would be correct on that. Actually, I think I can hold them with my finger. I'll just put this on here. See what part touches that. Okay, I might get it all the way through, so I'm just going to take it out. And hopefully it's not going to be a problem. what the ball looks like, or the lever. Alright, so I just greased the lever there. I'm not going to put anything more on here. It's working fine, because this is actually pretty slippery once you get on there, so I only need it on the lever. So I should take care of that. Which is nice. Oops, wrong side. The other side has a little bit of oil in there. So I'll put that back. Okay, I got a little bit of grease in the hole here. It's not a very good thing. So, line this up. Put a little bit of drop of thread lock on there and on the little one. The screws actually go on that plate, so that's why I put it from that side. Perfect. Now I can put this one in there. And the excess. Let's see. Well, this thing's still hard as heck. It's going this way. That way it's not so much. So loosen that up a bit. Okay, that's better. Supposed to come off easier that way. Oh, it's getting better now with the grease and this side not being so tight. But at least now I have a thread lock on both sides, so definitely better. Okay, that ratchet works now, so that's good. Oh, this is better than it was. And that is my, these ants coming from. The ratchet from my new set here. This is the epauto 45 piece set that I just got because I wanted something smaller, and that's what that case looks like, and that's what this is, in case anybody is curious about that particular ratchet. I'm not sure if this camera is going to get this, but the other camera ran out of battery, so I'm charging it before I finish the look at this kit.